Money is tight for second-year student Andy Suarez.
I have to manage my rent and I have to manage my food. I can't spend too much on food. I have to more or less ration what I can buy from Walmart.
And he's luckier than some with help from family and federal student loans.
I have, let's say, about $20,000 right now. I'm trying to look to reduce that.
When he graduates, he'll now save on interest.
For students, we are permanently eliminating interest on Canada student loans and apprenticeship loans.
That's something that we've long called for and finally is being achieved.
The government says it will cost $2.7 billion over 5 years and save the average student $410 a year.
Well, this is monumental news for students across Canada.
The move lauded by the Canadian Alliance of Student Associations.
Students, once they've graduated, they're trying to establish themselves. They're looking for jobs in their field or jobs of their interest, and this takes time.
Still got 3 years left, so good news.
It's pretty difficult now with inflation and working and studying at the same time.
But others are skeptical.
This isn't a free lunch. It's a shell game because the students are going to have to pay for this through higher government debt.
This change in the interest rate policy affects are the people whose incomes are high enough to be able to afford repayment.
Under Ottawa's separate repayment assistance plan, students don't have to pay back loans at all until they make at least $40,000 a year. Christine Neal studies post-secondary policy and calls canceling interest inefficient for getting people money when they need it.
If we reduce the available funds on the student loan interest side, chances are it's going to come back to bite us in terms of less money for students up front.
While many student advocates say the more help up front for students through any means, the better. Abigail Bimman, Global News, Ottawa.